Hi, this is Allison, and this is an Ask Allison segment. I'm responding this week to an email I received from a friend named Megan. She writes in that she is struggling with her mother-in-law. She says that her mother-in-law hates her and makes her life extremely overwhelming and emotional, and she's angry. She says this woman goes out to belittle her and just makes her feel terrible every time she's around her. And she doesn't know what to do. She says she's talked to her husband about this, but that nothing seems to change. Megan, oh my God. I mean, I think every woman in America can respond and understand to this type of problem. We all have mother-in-laws and we all know how this can be. That relationship can be very, very tricky. So Megan, here's what you need to do. You have to understand that this woman is a trigger for you. She's upsetting to you and she's pushing your buttons. So you have to stop it. You have to take ownership of this and stop letting her trigger you. So you're asking me, well, Allison, how do I do that? It's simple. All you have to do is you just have to tell yourself before you see her that she's going to trigger you, and you know that she's going to trigger you, so you have to be prepared. You have to go in on the defense. You got to know that you are strong, you are capable, you love her son, you're a good wife to her son, and that's all that matters. So just repeat these things to yourself before you see her and get all ready, and just know that she's going to say these things, but they're going to roll right off your back and they're not going to upset you. That's the best way to deal with people like this. We're all like Megan. We all have people that piss us off, that make us so mad that we don't want to deal with them and we don't know how to deal with them. So the best way to deal with those people is to know that you're stronger than that, you're better than that, and you don't deserve it. Don't be triggered by people so petty in your life. It's not worth it. Life's too short. So remember, if you want to be featured on an Ask Allison segment, all you have to do is send me an email and I'll be sure to respond to your concerns right here on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.